Good morning children. Do you remember we visited the fair? हम fair घूमने गए थे. Do you remember? I hope everybody enjoyed the fair. So today we are going to visit a market. कौन कौन गया है market मम्मी के साथ? Have you ever been a market? If no, then today we'll go to a market. Okay, and if yes, you know then what is a market. Okay, so you must be having this reference sheet. This reference sheet, you can color this reference sheet. Okay, see, this is a reference sheet. You can color it, but I'm going to show you a market. Okay, I'm going to show you some pictures of market, and then we can do this worksheet. Or first we will do this worksheet, and then I'm going to sum up the pictures of market, and then we have to make a shopping bag. See, I have this shopping bag. I made the shopping bag. But today I am going to make a shopping bag of newspaper. I am going to show you the steps how to make a shopping bag. But before that I am showing my shopping bag which I have made. So you can make this shopping bag also, or the shopping bag, the steps which I am going to show you, newspaper shopping bag, that also you can make. Any one of your choice. Okay, come on. So let's do the reference sheet first. So children, this is our reference sheet, and let's start with the first shop. See, this shop is of sports shop. So we will get all the items related to sports. Okay, see, ball, racket, shuttlecock, everything. Okay, the next shop is a medical store, and we will get medicines in this shop. The next one is a shop of shoes. See, Bata Action, it is written. Bata is the name of a brand, shoe brand, and even Action is also a name of a shoe brand. The next is book shop. Can you see? Books, it is written over here, books. Then we have shop for clothes. See, Rupam, it is written. So it is a, and you can see different dresses. So it is a shop for clothes. Then see, here one vegetable vendor is sitting and he is selling vegetables. Okay. Now see, one cobbler is sitting and he is mending the shoes. Even there is a signal and a zebra crossing. See, this is a zebra crossing. This one is also zebra crossing, and it is a signal. And one lady is coming towards the vegetable vendor. So children, you are going to color this reference sheet, and don't send me the picture of this reference sheet. Okay, this is for your enjoyment. I am asking you to, you can color it. Okay, now you have to answer me the questions I am asking you in your audio. Now tell me, what does the cobbler do? What does the cobbler do? I want answer in audio. Okay. Next question is, what does the vegetable vendor sells? What does the vegetable vendor sells? What do you get in medicals? What are the things you get in medicals? Just tell me. Okay. These are 3 questions. You have to send me in audio to me. Okay. Now I will show you some flashcards. See children, this is a shopping market. Okay. Shopping market. This is not a market which I have shown you. The picture of I have shown you in the reference sheet. This is a shopping market. Okay. Now can you see? देखो क्या क्या सामान है वहाँ पे. You can see a trolley in which one child is sitting. You can see the vegetables, fruits, cold drinks, butter. Okay. तो shopping market में ये मिलता है. See, in this market you will get a sale. There is a sale of 50%. लिखा रहता है ना ऐसे मार्केट में. है. सो सेल में 50% सेल है तो you will save 50% if you buy things from this market. Now see, this is a vegetable and fruit vendor. This lady is a vegetable and fruit vendor. मतलब क्या होता है, ये lady vegetable and fruits sell करेगी. ठीक है, she is going to sell fruits and vegetables. So we will go to her and will buy vegetables and fruits. Okay. Now this man, he is also a vegetable vendor. देखो, he is also selling vegetables, beetroot, popcorn, pumpkin and all that. See, can you see? See, he is also selling vegetables. So he is also a vegetable vendor in the market. Okay. Now see, this lady, she is also a vegetable vendor. She is also selling fruits and vegetables both. And she is so happy selling bananas. And this lady who is buying, she is so happy. Okay. So these are the fruits and vegetables that she is buying. This lady, है ना? And this lady is selling fruits and bananas. Okay. Now see, this girl is also a vegetable vendor. See, she is selling banana. Happy Farming. She has kept her name of her shop Happy Farm. Okay, she is selling all farm fresh vegetables and fruits. And this boy is buying the vegetables. So children, I have shown you pictures of markets, different types of markets. Okay, so you can color that reference sheet and send me the answer of the questions that I have asked you in your audio.